You get woken up by those storms last night? Oh my gosh. We have reports of winds getting up to over 60 miles per hour in Knox County. At one point, 10,000 people were without power just in Knox County, and 26,000 people across the state of Tennessee. We have pictures this morning from KFD showing a tree that went into a house in Sequoia Hills on Towanda, and the damage is extensive. They say on their Facebook page that one person was trapped, and KFD firefighters had to rescue that person. The person is okay this morning, but my goodness, those winds. Most of what you're going to see this morning is debris in the streets, trash cans maybe down the road, Christmas decorations all over the place. I know this is trivial, but last night I got home and I was so excited that my husband put up our nutcrackers, like these big inflatable nutcrackers that we have in our yard. And this morning, they're literally nowhere to be found. Probably in my yard somewhere, in my bushes, or in my neighbor's yard, but those are gone. May they rest in peace. Anyway, stay alert as you drive in this morning. Could be some concerns with debris in roads.